Let's go, Mom. We have to escape right now.
Let's go mom راځه چې لاړ شو مورې. We have to escape right now. موږ باید همدا اوس وتښتو. escape ویل کېږي تښتېدلو ته.
Are you okay, honey? I am worried about you.
Are you okay honey? آیا ته ښه یې خوږې؟ I am worried about you. زه ستا باره کې پریشانه یم.
I am fine, Mom. We have to go.
I am fine mom. زه ښه یم مورې. We have to go. موږ باید لاړ شو.
What happened, sweetie? Open the door immediately.
What happened sweetie? څه واقع شول خوږې؟ Open the door immediately. دروازه سمدستي خلاصه کړه. ملګرو immediately ویل کېږي سمدستي ته.
I am trying to open the door. It is locked.
I am trying to open the door. زه کوشش کوم چې دروازه خلاصه کړم. It is locked. دا بنده ده.
Oh my God. This cannot be happening. What should we do now?
Oh my God. او زما خدایا. This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. What should we do now? موږ باید وڅه وکړو.
We cannot get out of here. We have to find the key of this door.
We cannot get out of here. موږ دې ځای څخه نشو وتلی. We have to find the key of this door. موږ باید د دې دروازې کیلي پیدا کړو.
Mom. We will survive. I need your support. We need to go back.
مورې we will survive. موږ به ژوندي پاتې کیږو. survive ویل کېږي ژوندي پاتې کېدل. I need your support. زه ستا ملاتړ ته ضرورت لرم. We need to go back. موږ باید بیرته لاړ شو.
I will always support you, my sweetie. We will get by.
I will always support you, my sweetie. زه به همیشه ستا ملاتړ کوم زما خوږې. We will get by. موږ به یو بل پسې درېږو د یو بل څنګ کې.
I will not marry to an old man. Let's find the key.
I will not marry to an old man. زه به له یو زوړ سړي سره واده نه کوم. Let's find the key. راځه چې دروازه پیدا کړو. راځه چې کیلي پیدا کړو.
We have to find the key in his pocket.
We have to find the key. موږ باید کیلي پیدا کړو. In his pocket. د هغه په جب کې. Pocket ویل کېږي جب ته.
Don't sweat it, Mom. I will check his both pockets.
Don't sweat it mom. پریشانه کېږه مه مورې. I will check his both pockets. زه به د هغه دواړه جبونه چک کړم او به ګورم.
Be careful, my sweetie. He can get up again.
Be careful my sweetie. احتیاطمند اوسه زما خوږې. He can get up again. هغه کولی شي دوباره پاسي.
I did not find anything, Mom.
I did not find anything mom. ما هیڅ هم پیدا نه کړل مورې.
His both pockets are empty. He must have hid the key.
His both pockets are empty. د هغه دواړه جبونه خالی دي. He must have hid the key. هغه به ضرور کیلي پټه کړې وي.
I am with you, my sweetie. We will make off.
I am with you my sweetie. زه له تا سره یم زما خوږې. We will make off. موږ به ډېر ژر له دې ځای څخه وځو.
Let's find the key in the living room.
Let's find the key in the living room. راځه چې کیلي پیدا کړو د اوسېدا په کوټه کې.
Have you found the key, Mom?
Have you found the key mom? آیا تا کیلي پیدا کړه مورې؟
No. I did not find the key. We have to break the door.
No, I did not find the key. ما کیلي پیدا نه کړه. We have to break the door. موږ باید دروازه ماته کړو.
What? Are you serious?
What, sir? Are you serious? آیا ته جدي یې؟
Yes. We cannot wait anymore. We have to break the door.
Yes, ho. We cannot wait anymore. موږ نور انتظار نشو کولای. We have to break the door. موږ باید دروازه ماته کړو.
I wish I had my mobile phone. He hid my mobile phone as well.
I wish کاش کې I had my mobile phone. ما خپل موبایل لرلی. He had my mobile phone as well. هغه زما موبایل هم پټ کړ.
Your boss must be waiting for us.
your boss must be waiting for us تا مشر به ضرور زموږ لپاره انتظار کوي
I know you can do this, my sweetie. We have to be brave.
I know زه پوهیږم you can do this my sweetie چې ته دا کولی سې زما خوږې we have to be brave موږ باید زړور اوسو brave ویل کېږي زړور ته
We have to confront this old man, Mom. He cannot do anything.
We have to confront this old man موږ باید د دې زوړ سړي سره مقابله وکړو confront ویل کېږي مقابله کول He cannot do anything هغه هیڅ هم نشي کولی
Where is Sally? She should be here. I hope she is fine.
Where is Sally? Sally چیرته ده She should be here هغه باید دلته وي I hope she is fine زه امید لرم چې هغه به ښه
I have to call her.
I have to call her زه باید هغې ته زنګ ووهم
Where are you, Sally? Is everything okay? I am waiting for you.
Where are you Sally ته چیرته یې Sally Is everything okay آیا هر څه ټیک دي I'm waiting for you زه ستا لپاره انتظار کوم
Please, Mom. Let me go. I am not a kid anymore.
Please مو مهرباني وکړه مورې let me go پرېږده چې لاړ شمه I am not a kid anymore زه نور ماشوم نه یم
Yes. You are not a kid anymore, my son. You have grown up.
Yes ho you are not a kid anymore ته نور ماشوم نه یې My son زما زویه You have grown up ته غټ شوی یې
I know my responsibilities, Mom. I will join your company soon.
I know my responsibilities mom زه په خپلو ذموارو باندې پوهیږم responsibilities ویل کېږي ذمواران یې I will join your company soon زه به ستا کمپنۍ ډېر زر جوین کړم ګډون به پکې وکړم
Let me hang out with my friends, Mom. They are waiting for me.
Let me hang out with my friends mom پرېږده چې له خپلو ملګرو سره ساتیری وکړم hang out ویل کېږي ساتیری کول بهر وتل They are waiting for me دوی زما لپاره انتظار کوي
Those are not your friends. They are with you because you are rich.
Those are not your friends هغوی ستا ملګري نه دي They are with you هغوی له تا سره دي because you are rich ځکه چې ته مالداره یې
They just waste your money. You have to be sophisticated.
They just waste your money هغوی یوازې ستا روپۍ ضایع کوي You have to be sophisticated ته باید سخت واوسې Sophisticate ویل کېږي سخته
Those are my real friends, Mom. I have to go now. See you.
Those are my real friends mom هغوی زما حقیقي ملګري دي مورې I have to go now زه باید اوس لاړ شمه see you ګورو به
Kevin, you have to listen to me.
Kevin you have to listen to me ته باید ما ته غوږ ونیسې
I will break this lock.
I will break this lock زه به دغه lock مات کم
Don't be so hard on yourself. We have to find the key.
Don't be so hard on yourself خپل ځان باندې دومره سختي مه کوه We have to find the key موږ باید کیلي پیدا کړو
Where is Sally? Where is my pistol?
Where is Sally? Sally چیرته ده Where is my pistol? زما پستول چیرته پستول توپانچې ته ویل کېږي
I have to find my cell phone, Mom. We have to ask for help.
I have to find my cell phone mom زه باید خپل موبایل پیدا کړم مورې We have to ask for help موږ باید د کومک لپاره غوښتنه وکړو
Hello, Sally. Do you really think you can get out of this apartment?
Do you really think آیا ته په حقیقت سره داسې فکر کوي You can get out of this apartment چې ته به له دې استوګنځي څخه ووځې apartment ویل کېږي استوګنځي ته
I will not let you go, Sally. You have to marry to my friend.
I will not let you go Sally زه به تا پرېنږدم چې ته لاړه شې Sally You have to marry to my friend. ته باید زما له ملګري سره واده وکړې.
I am not afraid of you. Go to hell.
I am not afraid of you. زه له تا څخه نه ډارېږم. Go to hell. دوزخ ته لاړ شه.
You have crossed your limits.
You have crossed your limits. تا خپل حدونه ته له خپل حدونو څخه اوښتې یې. Limits ویل کېږي حدونو ته.
Mom, I will save you. He cannot beat you.
مورې I will save you. زه به تا ژغورمه. He cannot beat you. هغه نشي کولی چې تا ووهي. Beat ویل کېږي وهلو ته.
Mom, where are you?
مورې where are you؟ ته چېرته یې؟
Stop it. Don't hurt my mom. I beg you.
Stop it. ودرېږه. Don't hurt my mom. زما مور تکلیف ورنه کړې. I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم.
What did you say? I did not get you. Speak up again.
What did you say؟ تاسو ویلې I did not get you. زه په تا پوه نه شومه. Speak up again. دوباره خبرې وکړه.
I beg you. Please forgive us. We are innocent.
I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم. Please forgive us. مهرباني وکړه موږ معاف کا. Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کول. We are innocent. موږ معصوم یو بې ګناه یو.
I can burn your mom. She cannot do anything. You are helpless.
I can burn your mom. د ستا مور سوځولی شم. Burn ویل کېږي سوځول. She cannot do anything. هغه هیڅ هم نشي کولی. You are helpless. ته بېوسه یې.
Please put out your lighter. I will obey you.
Please put out your lighter. مهرباني وکړه دغه لایټر دې بند کړه. I will obey you. زه به ستا امرونو ته غاړه ږدمه. Obey ویل کېږي غاړه کېښودل. یو چا خبره منل.
I am ready. I will marry to your friend.
I am ready. زه تیاره یم. I will marry to your friend. زه به ستا له ملګري سره واده کوم.
No, sweetie. You don't need to destroy your life. You have to go.
No, sweetie. نه خوږې. You don't need to destroy your life. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته خپل ژوند تباه کړې. You have to go. ته باید لاړه شې.
No, Mom. You are my whole world. I will save you.
No, mom. نه مورې. You are my whole world. ته زما ټوله دنیا یې. I will save you. زه به تا ژغورمه.
Will you really marry to my friend?
Will you really marry to my friend? آیا ته په حقیقت سره زما له ملګري سره واده وکړې؟
Yes. I will listen to you. Please don't hurt my mom.
Yes, ho. I will listen to you. زه به تا ته غوږ نیسمه. Please don't hurt my mom. مهرباني وکړه زما مور ته زیان ونه رسوي.
That's the spirit. Fine, I will not hurt your mom.
That's the spirit. دا د صحیح خبره وکړه. یا دا د ښه کار وکړ. Fine, take that. I will not hurt your mom. زه به ستا مور ته تکلیف نه ورسوم.
Why are you doing this? I will marry to your friend.
Why are you doing this? دا ولې داسې کوې؟ I will marry to your friend. زه به ستا له ملګري سره واده کوم.
Go to your room right now. I will lock you in the bedroom.
Go to your room right now. همدا اوس چې لاړه شه کوټې ته. I will lock you in the bedroom. زه به تا په د ودې کېدا په کوټه کې به دې لاک کړمه. بنده به دې کړم.
I will be back, my love.
I will be back, my love. زه به بېرته راځمه زما مینې.
I want a lot of money. I will be rich.
I want a lot of money. زه ډېر روپۍ غواړم. I will be rich. زه به مالداره شم.
God will punish you for your bad deeds.
God will punish you for your bad deeds. الله به تا ته سزا درکړي ستا د بېکارو عملونو څخه. پنش ویل کېږي سزا ورکول او deeds ویل کېږي عملونه.
You beat my mom. You are urging me to marry your friend.
You beat my mom. تا زما مور وهله. You are urging me to marry your friend. له ما څخه غوښتنه کوي چې ستا له ملګري سره واده وکړم.
I hate you. I will sell you soon. Your mom will stay with me.
I hate you زه له تا څخه نفرت کوم. I will sell you soon زه به تا ډېر زر خرڅه کړم. sell ویل کېږي خرڅول. Your mom will stay with me ستا مور به له ما سره پاتې کېږي.
Hands up. You have to pay for everything.
Hands up لاسونه دې پورته کا. You have to pay for everything ته به د هر څه لپاره ادایګي وکړې.
Sally, my sweetie. Drop your pistol. This is not a toy.
Sally, my sweetie, Sally زما خوږې. Drop your pistol توپانچه دې کده کا. This is not a toy دا د ماشوم هغه نه ده. toy ویل کېږي د ماشومانو د لوبو شي ته. مطلب دا د لوبې شی نه ده.
Keep your mouth shut. Come with
Keep your mouth shut خو دې بنده وساته. Come with me ما سره راځه.
me.
Sally, my sweetie. Are you okay?
Sally, my sweetie, Sally زما خوږې. Are you okay? آیا ته ښه یې؟
I am perfectly fine, Mom. We will make off soon.
I am perfectly fine, Mom. زه په مکمل ډول سره ښه یم مورې. We will make off soon. موږ به ډېر زر له دې ځای څخه وتښتېږو. make off ویل کېږي زر تښتېدل پرېښودل یو ځل.
Hey, you have to untie my mom quickly.
Hey, you have to untie my mom quickly. ته باید زما مور ډېر زر څنګه کې خلاصه کړې.
Sally, I am so sorry for everything. Please drop this pistol.
Sally, I am so sorry for everything. زه د هر څه لپاره ډېره بخښنه غواړم. Please drop this pistol. مهرباني وکړه د توپانچه دې کته کړه.
Stop being dramatic. Untie my mom right away.
Stop being dramatic. ډرامه بازي دې بنده کړه. Untie my mom right away. زما مور همدا اوس خلاصه کړه.
I have untied your mom. Please drop your
I
pistol.
have untied your mom. ما ستا مور خلاصه کړې ده. Please drop your pistol. مهرباني وکړه توپانچه دې کته کړه.
Shut up. You are the worst stepfather in the whole world.
Shut up. چوپ شه. You are the worst stepfather in the whole world. ته په دنیا کې تر ټولو یو بیکاره میرنی پلار یې.